What's up, everybody? It's your man Stanley Makupson, back with another episode of Make Up Some Math. We're at UNLV, which is a college campus in Las Vegas, and we're gonna up the stakes a little bit. I was checking out the comments and everything. Everyone was saying, "Man, this math is really easy." So I'm actually gonna try to reteach or see what people remember about the math that my Algebra 1 kids are currently learning at the school that I teach at. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we get some people who are like a little stumped, got a little light bulb out in their head, and we can maybe re-electrify them and see if we can get them to remember. All right, so what we got here is we've got a quadratic equation, and they're asking us, or I'm asking y'all, to factor it. And so a quadratic on a graph is gonna look like either a smiley face or a frowny face. And what we want to do when we're factoring it is we want to turn this trinomial into two binomials where they'll multiply out and we'll get back to where we started. And so these particular trinomials that we're factoring are actually pretty darn easy to solve, especially because I noticed that there's no number in front of this x. A lot of times we'll see a coefficient value, which means a number in front of the variable. No number in front of there, technically there's actually just a 1. So to do this, we actually can solve this in two easy steps. The first step is going to be concerned with this minus 24 right here. And so we want to find two numbers that multiply to negative 24. So that's when the wheels start turning in the mind and we're going, all right, 8 times 3, that's 24, but that's not going to add to 2. 12 times 2, that's going to multiply to 24, but it's not going to add to 2. And then light bulb. We've got 6. And we've got 4. Those definitely multiply to 24. We notice that we have a negative, and I notice that this value is a positive, which means this big boy right here, that's going to stay positive. This dude's going to be negative. What's 6 minus 4? 2. What's 6 times negative 4? Negative 24. I love that. Now, for the binomial part, we're always going to have x and x. Why? Because these two, if we're thinking FOIL, they're going to multiply and give us that x squared that we're looking for. And then what do we do with these numbers? We write them in, and we call it a day. We done.